Oh my lord. Holy smokes. Oh my god. This is not good. This is not good for the foundation at all. Alright. It's not on the water heater, so that's good. But I made this one. So I decided to put the dehumidifier in the basement on, and it has been raining for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it's supposed to rain for like 4 more hours. And it hasn't reached the dehumidifier yet, but I'm afraid it might. So I want to try and get it off the ground even more with this. I recorded this just a little bit ago, so it's not much different than it was before. Back here just pulls in and this is the heater. I don't know if that's worrisome or not. But obviously it's rusted to shit. But yeah, this is our heater. There is the dehumidifier. So yeah, it's on this now, which is more off the ground. So if water does pool under here, at least it won't go to the dehumidifier directly. There are some pumps over there, so it all drains to that. Like, I could be overreacting. I 100% own to that. But like that does not look normal to me. That does not look. Yes, it all drains to that over there in the end, but I do not know, y'all. Like, this is just like, I feel like I could put a boat on it like Georgie and a cloud would summon me into the depths. Which is where I'm afraid this house is going to end up. If this has to be eating away the foundation, right? Like, I just feel like the house is going to collapse in on itself. Not like right now, but in general. Like, this is a lot of leakage for a foundation, man. Also, we have a mystery cooking pot in the wall. I don't know why. It is like about 4 hours later, 4.5 hours later. It is still storming out, but not nearly as bad. Let's see if it reached a crescendo or if it got worse. All right, the dehumidifier is doing the work though. Like, it doesn't smell damp down here at all. Okay, it pools here, so this must be where it meets in the middle, or like where it's oh, that's worrisome, huh? There's this line. Oh Lord, is this where the house is gonna fold in on itself? I'm really worried about that. Looks like it didn't really get much farther. There's pooling basically in this middle part here. There's pooling here still. Basically on this line is where it pools. And back here, it is weird mystery dark spots. That's strange. No idea what that is. All right, back upstairs. All right, let's go sit down, I guess. All right, so that happens every single time it rains. That's the worst it's happened, though. Just because it's stormed the hardest since we lived here tonight, and it went all night long. Yeah, without exaggeration, it stormed all night long. The storm was huge. I took a screenshot of it. It was so damn big. So, yeah, every time it rains, it does that. But not usually that bad. But if it's like severe thunderstorm, flood warning like tonight was, that's what the basement looks like. I don't know if I should be worried or if it's normal, like the landlady says. I could be overreacting, but I don't know, so